In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're tidying up your books or correcting a mistake, knowing how to properly remove a payment can save you from future confusion. So, let's get started. Begin by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. It's important to start here because any actions we take with your financial records need to be done from a place of security and accuracy. Once you're logged in, you'll need to make your way to the toolbar. You'll see a menu icon, often symbolized by 3 horizontal lines. Clicking on this menu will guide you to the next step, which is navigating to sales. Here, you'll have the option to view either all sales or specifically invoices. For the purpose of deleting a payment, both options can work, as you'll end up locating the specific invoice the payment is tied to. Once you've located this invoice, it's time to dive a little deeper. Open it up and you'll notice an area that deals with transactions, or it might be labeled as related transactions. This section is crucial as it compiles all the financial dealings associated with that particular invoice. What you're looking for here is the payment transaction, the one you'd like to delete. When you've located this payment transaction in the list, click on it to open up further details. Doing this allows us to have full visibility on the transaction in question. If you're using the web version of QuickBooks, you'll now want to look for either a More option or a gear icon within this detailed view. This is typically your gateway to more advanced options and settings. Once you've clicked on More or the gear icon, you'll see an option to delete the transaction. Now, QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm your decision to delete the payment. This step ensures that the action is intentional, since deleting payments alters your records and can affect financial reporting. After you confirm the deletion, the payment will be removed. It's worth noting that once the payment is deleted, any invoices it was applied to will likely revert to an unpaid status unless there are other payments attached to that invoice. This change is significant because it might affect your overall understanding of outstanding liabilities or receivables within your books. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. If you run into issues or have more questions, always remember that QuickBooks provides comprehensive support and tutorials to guide you through the process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful finance tips.